tons of waste every year.
Plastic is dumped in the sea every minute. 17.6 billion pounds every year.
Years of dumping Western cast-offs and plastics have created this environmental nightmare.
In a world drowning in waste, one robot dares to sort it, one misplaced bottle cap at a time. Presenting the future of waste management, Safari. Tiny, fierce, more emotionally stable than at least 3 group members, our prototype stands as a monument to what desperate student can achieve when the project is due in 6 hours.
At Pioneers, we asked, what if robots could think like humans? Then we realized that's a terrible idea. So instead, we gave it 4 tubes and a job. Using state-of-the-art, highly experimental technology, which we definitely did not develop 48 hours before the deadline, our robot can detect whether an item is metal, non-metal, or suspiciously wet.
Each piece is then sorted into one of these special compartments by rotating beams with the precision you have never seen before.
This is metal. We'll take it near to our sensor and drop it to the upper dustbin, and lower dustbin will rotate to the specific metal detected dustbin, and then it will sort and rotate back to its initial position.
Flawless, every time.
Before this, I had to sort trash manually, like some kind of medieval peasant.
So this is non-metal paper. We'll take it to our sensor, and you can see that it's rotating, and it will sort the paper into the specific dustbin and
Built for greatness, tested for mediocrity, approved by some of our group members.
This is Safari by Pioneers.